All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Pickle Performance with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Pickle himself.
What's going on, guys?
So today we are going to do a short little video on FORScan on how to change the splash screen to the Ford Performance Raptor splash screen. There are a couple options in there that you can do. We messed around with it. It looks like, though, the only ones that this truck is going to take are the F150 options. And if you want the Lincoln stuff, I guess you can put that on there too.
Bronco, we got the Bronco.
Oh yeah, we got the Bronco to work, so we got the Bronco to work. So once we get this all loaded up, we'll show you step by step on how to use FORScan and change this yourself if you have the access to FORScan. And it sounds like a couple of y'all do, so here we go.
Yep. Got your key. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is key on your truck, open up your FORScan program, and then right on the first screen there's going to be the connect. And since we've already connected to this truck before, it already has the profile saved, so we're going to go ahead and click yes. Going to let it do its thing, and then on the bottom it'll say ready. So now we're going to go into the configuration and programming, and then we're going to be in the APIM module. So then we're going to hit play, and then to make things easy, we're going to filter. We're going to start typing in splash, and you can see the splash screen comes up. Originally it was on the F150 configuration. We're going to try out the Raptor configuration. So we're going to hit select and then right. Okay, it's going to ask us to cycle the key on or off, back on, hit OK. And then for some reason it requires an extra key cycle before it actually makes the change. So now we got our Raptor Ford Performance splash screen. So that's it. You want me to, what do we got, 120 mile an hour speedo on this?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, let's go ahead and
let's do 140. Okay. All right.
I recently did a video on it, and it's really popular because factory these come with 120 mile an hour speed limiter, and anyone who has Whipple or Twins or Max F or NA guys, they want to see over 120 miles.
Yeah. So
we can change it to 140 with one simple change. So we're going to get out of our APIM menu, hit stop, and then we're going to go down to IPC. And then on this one, what you're going to do is start typing in speedometer. And you'll see an option for police calibration. Police. We're going to write it. So now you can see we have 140 mile per hour on our speedometer. So it's just that simple. Just a quick little tip for those guys who, like to play around in FORScan. Some cool little tricks that we found. So
it sounds like we got some guys that do. So
yeah, for sure.
Awesome. All right. Well, there's a nice, simple, fast, quick video. So that way everyone knows. Now you know how to change the splash screen and the speedometer if you have access to a FORScan. So just that easy. So if you would, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe, send this out to everyone you know. Also buy some merch off my merch channel. That would be fantastic. Also, Pickle has merch he would like you to buy as well.
Pickle Performance TX, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. We got some cool U-Haul shirts.
There you go, look at that.
No, I'm not wearing a U-Haul
shirt. I know, that's
a
streetcar day cover.
I had the hoodie on earlier. SCT, that's a cool shirt though.
That is a cool shirt. All right, well there we go. So we're going to be at Pickle's event on the 14th. Yes. So if you are in Texas and are near XRP, come meet us out there. We're going to have us. Pickle's going to be there. He's putting on the event. JFab's going to be out there. So we're going to have a lot of trucks out there. So it's going to be fun. Come check us out. So we'll go ahead. We'll check you on the next one.